What powers you to go past impossible? I never stop. I'm always reaching higher. Technology may be my world, but this is where I feel most alive. Pushing past limits and doing what I've never done. On a big climb, sometimes you have to move quickly. Other times, you conserve your energy to go farther. You have to be able to meet the demands of the moment.
How do I blow past barriers? Fearlessness and driving my own destiny. That's why I love flying a glider. I'm the one responding to the wind. But on the road, I have technology that adjusts while I drive, adapting continually to perform better. Behind the stick, I feel powerful, in control. Behind the wheel, I have control in new ways. I can maneuver like pilots have since the start, stick in hand. Or I can let go of the stress and let engineering assist me, automatically. Technology lets me do more than I could do alone. You can't help but enjoy this kind of freedom and control.
Control. That's what I love about developing for virtual reality. What if everything I want to see is visible everywhere I look? That's what it feels like in here. I can connect to information the way I want and put it where I want. Like VR, I define my reality.
I define myself through confidence and originality. I see these qualities in this design. There's courage in every curve, energy in every stance. That's why I love martial arts. It's beauty and power at the same time. I feel like a force that can't be ignored.
People tell me I'm a force of nature. I don't know if that's true, but I do like it when things respond to me. I've always dreamed big, so I need space to think. And I look for things that conform to my needs.
The first time I sat in the pilot seat, it felt like it was made just for me. It's a good thing, because I love spending hours here. I appreciate every moment and soak up every detail. This is where I feel most alive. This is where I feel empowered.